Hello, and welcome to SmartFactory Digital Manufacturing Solutions. If you've already watched a few videos in this series, you recognize that SmartFactory is an integrated suite of apps that extends manufacturing, quality, and compliance capability to complement your ERP platform. You may have seen that the individual apps within the SmartFactory suite are lightweight and very scalable. Today, we're going to take a look at the admin app that makes it very easy for an administrator to maintain their SmartFactory account. Let's go out to the solution. Once I go into the administrative app, I'm presented with a variety of options to maintain my solution. For efficiency in the initial configuration, CSV uploads are possible. The administrative app is really designed to help that administrator focus on specific elements required for maintenance. The location management option is staged for future functionality. We'll look at Work Center Management. If you've already viewed the compliance configuration video, you know that the primary purpose of the Work Center compliance is to establish compliance and help the administrator identify those reporting elements within your SOP that must be verified by your QC for a proper release. Beyond compliance settings, the label name helps establish the default label desired at a particular work center. Assembly management, similar to the work center management, is designed to help identify those specific items that require compliance validation QC release when executed at specific work center. It also identifies the product run scope in which compliance is required. All runs, the first run, the last run, to ensure that SmartFactory enables your SOP to be properly executed. Role management establishes for quality inspections who's capable of inspection review, who is considered a compliance officer to execute QC release. From a CAPA perspective, who's considered a reviewer, who's an owner, who's considered a CAPA manager. The wizard makes it very easy to add or subtract the appropriate resources as needed. Shop floor calendar is again staged for future functionality. The CAPA option allows the administrator to configure various categories or update them. Same thing with managing dispositions, whether I want to add a new one or edit one that already exists. All designed again to give the administrator and your organization the flexibility you need depending on how you want your CAPA program instituted. The lower portion of the screen enables you to update the choices operators can make in the conduct of executing a work order. Downtime is self-explanatory. Pick your location, select the work center, confirm that work center, take a look at the categories and what reasons are currently configured. If you want to add a new category, easy to do. If you want to add a new reason to a category, also very simple. Let's add a downtime reason. Immediately available to the operations team. Labor works in a similar fashion. SmartFactory recognizes what labor positions are relevant at given work centers. You'll see here, based on the category, defines the various labor codes. Best practice is to create both straight and overtime rates to allow your operations team the opportunity to best account for how they completed various work orders. Whether editing or updating, administration makes this very simple. Component waste allows you to establish whatever reasons that components are lost in the process. These are more global in nature and are applied across all work centers. Inventory status is another option that has been initially staged for future use. I point that out for location, shop calendar, inventory status is because SmartFactory is always evolving to provide more capability to the manufacturing community. The final button you see is personalization. That helps the administrator track where within the standard UI or standard functionality have we potentially added or personalized some element that we want to maintain and keep track of to ensure that as updates occur, our account reflects what we've personalized to best enable the shop team to be successful. We hope this quick orientation to the administrative app has been helpful. To learn more about SmartFactory, please visit smartfactory.com, review some of the other videos in the series, or contact PCG. Thank you for watching today's video.